Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's section, we are going to see how to use flags on Bash script. Handling flags in Bash script allows user to customize the script's behavior and provides greater flexibility and usability. The getopts command is suitable for handling short options, while an extended approach enables handling both short and long options. At first, I am check the OS version. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Now I am going to show how to use flag on Bash script. First I am going to create a file. Press I to enter into the insert mode. In first line I am using shebang command. Now I am going to use while and get ops. Here enter your options. I am using XYZ. Now use option. Now I am going to use case statement. Now I am going to give the option for X flag. And Y flag. And Z flag. Now close the case statement. Now done. In top I use functions. First I am using mem. Here I am using free command. Grab memory value. Now close the function. Next function is disk. Here I am using df-h slash and close the function. Next function is load. I am using uptime command and close the function. Now I am going to use the functions here. For X flag, I am using mem function, and Y flag I am using disk function, and for Z flag I am using load function. Now save the file and exit. Now list the directory. There is no execute permission for this file. Now I am going to give execute permission to this file. Execute permission has been given. Now I am going to run the script without flag. The script is running, but there is no output. Now I am going to run the script with the flag. First I am using X flag. It shows the memory value. Next I am using Y flag. It shows the disk space of the slash directory. Now I am going to execute with the Z flag. It shows the load average of the system. This is the procedure to use flags on bash script.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.